Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's LookFantastic box. So yes, it's that time of the month again. It's beauty subscription box time. I've got this month's LookFantastic box. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it with you guys and let you know what we've got. So just before I actually show you what I've got in the box, let me tell you about the box. It is a beauty monthly subscription box. You get a few options. You can subscribe for 1 month at a time on a rolling subscription. You can do a 3-month, 6-month or 12-month subscription. I have the 12-month subscription. The longer you subscribe, the cheaper it is. For a 1-month subscription, month by month, it is £15 a box. It becomes a little cheaper. A 3-month subscription is £14.50. A 6-month one is £13.75, and then the one that I have is £13 per month. So I save £2 per month every month, which adds up to more than a box over the year. Okay, so I haven't opened this yet. I think that they might have done away with the little paper insert that comes in here, the little booklet that tells you all about the products and things, and I think that they have put it online. So I've got my tablet and I'm going to have a little look and see if I can find that. But first, let's just open the box and see what the box itself looks like, shall we? Okay, so ta-da! It's this beautiful bright orange. Wow, super duper bright. If I can get it out. Okay, yep, so it's this beautiful bright orange. Very summery, I suppose, for the month of August. And then inside we open it up. And oh, we do have the booklet. I'm sure I'd seen that they were doing away with it. I'm sure they put something on. I'm glad to have it. I genuinely, right, I can discard my tablet now. So glad. It makes going through these boxes with you guys really easy, and then I can refer back to it whenever I want to know something about the products. I really, really like them. So I'm glad that they put it back in. And it actually matches my nail polish perfectly, the little booklet. So the little saying on the lid, as we get in every month, this one says, "Do more of what makes your soul radiate." Okay, it's an interesting one. So yes, we've got the booklet this month. I am so excited to have the booklet. And then in there we get our products nicely wrapped behind some tissue paper and a little sticker, which I usually rip. Yep, there we go. Only a little rip this month. So I'm going to give you a very quick sneak peek at the products. And then I'm going to go through them one by one as they appear in the booklet. Genuinely excited to have the booklet back. I don't think we had any sneak peeks with us not having the proper booklet last month. So I genuinely don't think I know of any of the products in this month's box. So this is going to be as much a surprise for you as it is for me. I do look forward to finding out. So first then, before we look at our products, there is a little bit of information about the box itself. So it looks like this month's theme is radiance. And it says, "Radiate positivity and feel lit from within this August with a little help from our Radiance Edition beauty box. It's filled with 6 products specifically curated to help you shine both inside and out. In this month's beauty," oh, then that tells you a little bit about what's in the actual book. I feel like I haven't looked through these for ages. I used to, I'll do these videos and then later on in the day usually or something, I'll go through and have a little look. So I'm glad to have it back, really am. Okay, so what's in the box? Let's just start with the first item then. So our first item comes to us from Bella Pierre. We did get an eyeshadow palette from Bella Pierre a few months ago, which was really nice. So this is Mineral Blush, and it comes in the shade Amaretto. It looks like quite a deep earthy shade. I don't know. It's locked into place, but yeah, it's quite shimmery. But it's quite a browny colour. I tend to go for more pinky shades when it comes to blush, but hey ho, I'll give anything a try. Like I said, I like the fact that it's got shimmers in there. It's probably the perfect type for a tan. It might even, you could probably, to be fair, maybe even use that as a bronzer. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's read the little write-up. So this is worth £15. And it says that it is a creamy, non-comedogenic and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blusher will bring a healthy flush of colour to your face whilst looking completely natural. So it sounds nice. I like non-comedogenic, I can never say it. Non-comedogenic. Anyway, it means it's the stuff that isn't going to clog your pores and things, which I really like. just can't say it. And to use, you tap a small amount of the product into the lid and then swirl a blush brush into the product, tapping off any excess, and then apply to your cheeks. From the cheeks? Apply it to your cheeks. Oh, and the tip of your nose. It's going well so far. I'm reading really well. So our next product is from Caudalie, and it is a Vinyl Perfect Radiance Serum. There's 10 mils in here and it's worth £15.33. Thought it looked similar, like I've perhaps had this before from something, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it's something else from like the line rather than this exact one. So this says it's a worldwide cult favourite, and for a good reason. This Caudalie facial serum is packed full of viniferine, patented by Caudalie themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C. It says it's scientifically proven to lighten dark spots within 4 weeks. And to use, you apply before bed onto cleansed skin, massaging into face and neck. I've had something before, but I'm not sure it was this exact serum. But Caudalie is really nice. I've enjoyed every product I've had from them thus far. So hopefully this one will also be just as good. Okay, so next we have a product from Icor, and it looks like there's 2 different variations you can get on this one this month. You can either get Black Magic or Lash Alert mascara. I'm not sure what the difference is. One comes in a silver packaging. I feel like I've had it before, to be fair, and then one's in this blue packaging. I wonder if that means if it's blue. Let's read up and find out. So it says, get long volumized lashes with the help of our Icor mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash. No smudging, flaking or crumbling. This just black fluttery lashes for 12 hours, so it can't be black. Starting at the root, and then it tells you how to put mascara, and we all know that. So I'm not sure of the difference. On the back it says, wake up your eyes with our fibre enhanced formula infused with caffeine, arginine and biotinol tripeptide to stimulate lash growth. So I think possibly the other mascara is more of an actual mascara, just standard black mascara, whereas this one's supposed to help grow your lashes, which is nice. It's got caffeine and bits and bobs in to wake up your eyes. So it's probably a good call for me, to be fair. Kind of slipping back into normal working hours and things, and yeah, sometimes I'm a little bit tired. Do apologise, by the way, if you can hear any banging. Chris is in the garden doing some work. Just before I started filming, he assured me he was done. I can hear some more banging. Okay, moving on then, we have a product from Ahava. This isn't a brand I've heard of before, and again it looks like we get 2 different variations of products. So it's either a Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion or a Sea Kissed Mineral Body Lotion. I have the Sea Kissed one. So this is 40 mils and worth £8. It says, deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smoothen your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalised, refreshed, restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from harsh parabens and synthetic ingredients. It just says to apply generously to damp skin after a bath or shower. It does say on the bottle it's vegan, it's always nice. I know it says to put on damp skin, but you know me, I like to try these things sometimes. It's not sealed, and I've dropped the lid, but let's just give it a little... Oh my God, that's gone. That's like instantly sunk into my skin like a dream. It's not a bath smell, but oh my God, that like went in so quickly. Like actually genuinely really surprised by that. Yeah, you do see things that sink in quickly and you think, wow, they're sunken quickly. But I mean, that was like instantaneous. I feel moisturised, but I don't feel like I've got product on my hat. Like genuinely blown away by that. My skin feels soft and moisturised, yet you'd never know there's product on there. Sorry, genuinely pleasantly surprised. Moving on then, our next product this month is from Mio, and it is this sun-drenched body wash. It is 30 mils and worth £3.15. It says, with a delightful citrus scent, this subtle shimmer, and subtle shimmer running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mio body wash, formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepper berry to give an instant soothing effect to both body and mind. Really nice. Lather on your skin in the shower, blah blah blah. You know how I use body wash. It is only a small one, unfortunately, so we're not going to get to try this forever. But it looks like it's got micellar cleanser in there as well. So I mean, it sounds delightful. So I look forward to trying it. And these type of samples are really good if you're going to be going away anywhere at all. I know the world's a little bit bonkers at the minute, but you know, I do tend to put perhaps sometimes things like this aside if I know I'm going away. Certainly not going to be this year though, unfortunately. But it means we can have these little holiday pick-me-ups at home. Okay, then our final product in this month's box is from Percy & Reed, and it is their Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. There's 30 mils and it's worth £8. I've had this before. I was just looking at my hair things to see if I can see if I still have this. I like this. I really think Percy & Reed do some nice products. I've had the things I've had from them. I've had maybe 3 or 4, and I think I liked all of them. There's maybe one I was a little bit, it's okay about, but all of them I quite liked, to be fair. So this is really nice. I was going to start telling you about it, but I should probably read the little write-up. So it says, it's a miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your do. This Percy & Reed balm makes hair more manageable, as well as adding moisture, shine and definition. Work a small amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. So yes, I've used this a few times to kind of like smooth out hair after washing and things. It's a quick fix really to make hair feel a little bit better. I have a good few products that also do very similar things, but this is a good one. So yeah, I'm glad to have that in this box. Okay, so let's have a little rundown of the products in this month's box. Oops, caught it. So yeah, it's a lot smaller products I suppose this month, but we're still getting more than our money's worth because I spent £30 and I think this was worth 15 on its own, so you get your money's worth. I'm actually really happy with this month's products, to be honest. This perhaps isn't my colour, but I'm happy to try it. I think it's something I can actually make work for me. Caudalie is a lovely brand. This I'm sure will be fab. Yeah, it's an interesting mascara, something a little bit different. I'm glad I got this one as opposed to the other one, to be fair. This stuff I feel is going to be magic. I genuinely really just was surprised by how I can't get over it actually. That's the standout product in this box for me. And I'm usually like, ugh, not another body lotion or a body cream or whatever, because we tend to get a lot of those and things, and I don't use them as frequently as I maybe should. But yeah, excited about that. The sun-drenched body wash thing, the fact that it's got glitters in there, it might leave your skin a little bit shimmery and things. Sounds really nice. And the Percy & Reed I have enjoyed using previously. So I'm actually really happy with all of this month's products. LookFantastic I subscribe to because it's quite skincare heavy, and I do tend to prefer a skincare heavier box to discover new products and things, because I tend to have a lot of the same set makeup and I like to try the odd bit and bobs, but then I tend to always go back to my same ones. So that's kind of why I subscribe to LookFantastic anyway. So just before I leave you then, we always get a sneak peek on the back of the box, on the back of the booklet, which tells us what we get. I was going to say we always get one. We haven't had one in a while because we haven't had a booklet, but we've got a booklet this month. Ooh, super exciting one next month. So look away now if you don't want the spoilers, because I'm about to spoil it for you. In next month's September, oh my goodness, where's time going? In the September beauty box, we're getting an Elemis product. Love Elemis. So this is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it is an anti-wrinkle day cream. We're going to be getting 15 mils, which is worth £30. And it says this revolutionary anti-aging cream took 3 years to develop by the experts at Elemis. Formulated with Padina Fanica, a powerful marine extract proven to boost your skin's collagen production and free radical fighting ingredients, this cream is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increase moisture levels. Sounds lovely. have I tried this before? I don't think I have. I love a lot of Elemis products. I don't think there's anything I tried from Elemis that I've not liked. So really excited to get that. That'll be fantastic. LookFantastic is fantastic in my opinion, certainly this month. I'm really happy with what I've got. I don't think there's been a box since maybe February. I was a little disheartened by LookFantastic, but every other month I've actually been kind of blown away by the value, the different types of products, and just what we get. So I'm genuinely happy that I took out a subscription for 12 months to LookFantastic. Really happy with everything that I've got yet again. So let me know what you think of this month's box, guys. Drop me a comment below. Let me know if you're a subscriber, are you happy with this month's box? If you're not a subscriber, does this make you want to subscribe? Let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be absolutely fantastic if you could subscribe to my channel. I try to upload every Tuesday, Thursday and Face Mask Fridays. I got a full-time job as well as this, so sometimes balancing life and work and things, I do miss the odd video, but I do try my best to get them up as often as possible. I love hanging out with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.